Hello YouTube, this is Nick20571. I'm here again to show off my second test of my inverter system. What this is using MOSFET transistors compared to what I used as the switching transistors, which was these types here. I kept having problems with these. I don't know what, for some reason, but I don't know what it is. But I'm trying out these MOSFETs and they actually do pretty well. And what I'm going to show you is this computer and a light bulb, 100-watt light bulb. Here, I'll show you. See here, 100 watts. I have my voltmeter and amp meter hooked up, and I'm also going to show you my laptop actually be charged by this setup that I have. Now, to let you know, this is actually a 24-volt setup, not compared to what they have as a 12-volt. The reason why, because this transformer that is here came out of a stereo, a salvage stereo, same one as this transistors came out of. Actually produces pretty good amount of watts on the output. The input, that one side, like I said before, is a 5 volt by 5 volt input, and the 100 ohm 10 watt resistor, ceramic resistor. And on this side is a 24 volt by 24 volt center tap transformer. It had more taps on it, but I had to cut those off because I only want the 24 volts on each side. And I have, since this is a PNP transistors compared to what they had as the NPN, I had to change the voltage around, or the polarities around. So, but the thing is, here we go. I'm going to do a test on it right now. And here is the setup. As you heard, my laptop actually beeped, and you can see on the amp meter of how much amps it actually draws. Right now we're pulling about close to 5 1/4 or more amps. 5 3/4 or more amps. That ain't bad. I've seen some of these for the 350 or 400 watt inverters. They go to anywhere around 10 or 12 amps. And you can actually see my 100-watt light bulb glowing brightly, and you can see the voltmeter is hovering around 101 volts. And the amps on the output, let's see, 600 milliamps. 5 to 600 milliamps. That ain't bad. And you can see it's actually charging my laptop. That's pretty good. And let's see here. On each pole on the center tap, I have these wires here, so please bear with me. This one is going around 3.8. And this one 3.0. So that ain't bad. So combined, as you can see on these amps right here, it's doing pretty good. As you can see, it's dropping since the battery on the laptop is about to be charged. And you can see these transistors do not get hot. I'm surprised, thanks to the heatsink design. They don't get hot. I'm surprised. But the only thing is that do get warm is this resistor here. But what can you expect? You know, it's a switching setup, and it ain't bad, you know. Again, if you have any questions or like to leave any comments, drop a comment down on the bottom, and let me know what you think. If you have any ideas or any other setups that I can maybe get higher watts, let me know. I'm always able to get any ideas or anything. I've been trying different transistors, some of them up to 50 amps, and I've been having such trouble with it. But this one is actually the easiest one I can think of, but by using just my mind. I've been doing these type transistors for different times now, and most of them been pretty rough. For example, I can show you one transistor I did messed up the voltage. That's what happened on one of them, but doesn't matter. I got plenty of transistors. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments, just drop a link on drop a thing on the bottom, okay? Again, this is Nick20571 signing off.